Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now, first of all, before I get started into today's video, I just want to say that I'm so sorry that my videos haven't been that consistent lately. I do have an excuse. I went to Las Vegas for Thanksgiving and I filmed stuff and then I want to edit it, but I've had a little problem with my hard drive. Now, if you guys don't know, I make videos and I put them on this hard drive. And then I use this hard drive to edit videos on, and that makes it a whole lot faster and whatever. So I haven't had this because this hasn't been working properly. So I have 2 terabytes of space that I'm in the process of putting onto Google Drive, and it's literally taken a month because it just so many gigabytes and it's just taking forever. So I'm in the process of doing that. I'm almost done. I think I'm like at the 2 terabyte mark, or I'm almost to all my videos. So that is basically why I haven't had any videos up on YouTube lately, and I feel horrible that it just feels like I feel like I need to upload at least 1 video every like couple weeks to be like sane, if that makes sense. Like, it feels so weird. Even like vlogging right now doesn't feel, it feels weird. Like, I'm not used to it already and it's just crazy. I don't know. So I have a really exciting thing that I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to California tomorrow, basically, with family. My brother Billy, his girlfriend Nicole, and her brother Ryan. So the 4 of us, we are all going to California tomorrow from January 10th through the 20th. And I'm literally packing right now. We leave tomorrow at like 4:30 at night. So we do have at least tonight and then tomorrow. It's like 1:30 right now. AM, 1:56, okay, it's 1:56, so we leave tomorrow evening. I basically haven't really packed yet, but I like laid everything out. I'm taking my drone. I'm taking a lot of clothes, surprisingly. I mean, not really surprisingly. So yeah, basically packing right now. I'm almost done. I just wanted to start this video off like this because normally when I go to California, I start off like in the airport. I'm like, maybe I'll just try something different. I'll just start off with packing and then I'll record, obviously, going to California tomorrow. So I'm freaking excited. I'm gonna see family and see some friends. So yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, so peace out. Really? All right, update. So I woke up at like noon. It is now 1:40. So basically we have everything packed. We're probably gonna leave around 2 in a little bit. That's all my shit right here. There's Nicole. There's their stuff. And we're saying goodbye to Maya. Where's she? Oh, right here. Hi. Oh, she's like stretching on the stairs. Hi. We have to say bye to Maya. Actually, I've never showed Maya in my vlogs. So we got Maya like a couple months ago. And then like lint rolling my hair. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of snow on the ground. Yeah. Oh my god, I was so scared that my bag would be over. I think the maximum was like 50 pounds and it was 45. So it was just 5 pounds under, so yeah, it was super heavy. Alrighty, here we go.
The front, taking you to Phoenix. I live in Phoenix, so I know how to find it.
Yeah.
Okay? Anyways, we're gonna go fast. It's my last leg of a 3-day trip, and I'm gonna go fast. We're going home. So, 4 hours and 49 minutes and 22 seconds. We're gonna do it in 2 hours.
Bye-bye. We had a layover in Arizona, and we're actually just getting Starbucks right now. I'm gonna try that. Wow, that was a really quick flight. We just landed in California, and I'm so happy we're actually gonna go get in and out probably. Just got our bags. This bag was so freaking heavy. Ugh.
I'm still at Ryan too.
Okay. Oh, you guys aren't coming?
He's just watching the luggage.
Let Ryan go. Okay, so we're getting in and out. The very first stop in California. That's my sister and her boyfriend. They picked us up. They're her fiance. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh my god. So we got to my sister's house, and this is Grizzly. Look, look at him. He is so much bigger than a year ago.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is Grizzly now, and he's like.
And he's like, oh my god. Hi. Oh my god. He is so big.
Oh my god. Mike like doesn't sleep. Mike's.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So I think I'm going to merge this video with yesterday's video because I didn't really record that much yesterday. So we're at my sister Jen's house. We're all here. We're gonna go get something to eat right now and then probably go to my sister's house, my other sister's house, Lisa, and see the kids because she has three lovely kids. Ooh, the sun. So we're gonna go over her house afterwards and yeah, just do some random stuff. So I'm just gonna vlog a lot. Holy shit, scared me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shit. I thought I was gonna do a time machine.
Why? Fine, don't keep my
It is a beautiful day. It's really windy, but it's actually really nice. So we made a little stop at Marshall's. They have very cheap clothes. They have $4 shirts. And so yeah, we just got a couple of those. I'm gonna get Riley and Liam's reaction. Logan's not here yet. Hello. Hi. Riley. Really? Yeah. Liam. Oh, look at this. Sorry.
Let me see your puppy.
Hi, Sadie. Hi, Sadie.
Is that a dollhouse?
What?
Yeah.
Did you get that for Christmas?
Yeah. They're sleeping.
Look, can you see yourself? Can you see?
You're always a winner.
Okay, so Logan is about to be here from school, so I want to film his reaction. Are they here?
There is his car.
Ah! He closes it.
Ran up here.
Hi! Oh, Hi.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Isn't that a T?
Yes.
Okay.
Liam, here. It's the. Oh my god. Just let me read.
Babe,
Look at me. Look at me. Bathroom. The bathroom.
It's the. So we're at my sister Lisa's house, right here. Hi. And there's a game called HQ Trivia where you can win actual like real money. And actually, Justine, one of my favorite YouTubers, Justine, she talked about this. And you sign in, and if you answer 12 questions correctly, you have a chance of winning up to $2,000. So there's 306,000 people watching. This is crazy.
Yeah, I can. It won't work.
First question is, which of these are you most likely to find in a toolbox? Hammer, MC hammer, hammer.
MC hammer. We all got out instantly, like after three questions. Alrighty, so I just got a jacket on because it's getting a little chilly now. We're going to what's called Market Night. It's in Redlands, California, and it's like a bunch of shops come together, and you can basically, ew, they like flip me off over there. You go and like, it's like a little market. It's Market Night, so we're gonna go check it out right now. Damn. Yeah. No, it's been here for a little while. Holy shit, that scared me. This place is so freaking good.
Awesome.
Oh wow.
That's really cool. You guys are at a Garden Grove, I see?
The kitchen's in the back.
I know.
Is that one good?
What's your favorite?
Riley used to swing it,
Why though?
and I used to.
Oh, the Y? Yeah, the Y.
Why?
It's called the one.
Why?
It's called Y because it's called Y.
Why though?
So I'm eating now. I got this like curry, like Indian, I don't know, African food. It's really different, but it's pretty good. It's vegan, so. My favorite sign. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. Obviously I'm going to bed, I have my contacts out, it's 1 AM. Tomorrow should be a really interesting day. These next vlogs are gonna be like hanging out with family and just doing, it's not gonna be like actiony, like cool edited, like I'm gonna do the best I can, but it's not gonna be like crazy, whatever. But I also ended the night going in the spa. I was in there for like 30, 45 minutes and it felt so amazing. That's why my hair looks like crap right now. So tomorrow is a pretty exciting day, so I'm gonna end this video here. Please like this video and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Follow my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat's all at iChrisbtv. It'll be right down below. And I will see you guys in my next video, which will be up very, very soon. Good night.